Hello and welcome back. All right, so this is the last lesson on our healing tools, and we're going to take a look at the red eye removal tool. So the red eye removal tool will basically allow you to remove red eye that is caused by on-camera flash, and it's very simple and easy to use. We have two options to choose from. We can increase the pupil size or the red area that is going to be fixed, and we can also darken the amount for that pupil. 100% will be pure black, 0% would be a very light shade of gray, and it's not going to work very well at 0%. I typically just leave it at 50%, but honestly, I haven't had any issues with red eye because I no longer shoot with on-camera flash. This image is from about 2001, so about 16 years ago. So it was very hard for me to find an image to show you how to use this tool, and I had to go back 16 years to find one. All right, so let's go ahead and zoom into this area here so we can get a better close at the eyes. And although he does look kind of innocent in this photo right here, when you zoom in, he looks really evil with the red eye. So let's go ahead and remove the red eye. So go ahead and grab your red eye removal tool from this panel here. And we're going to go ahead and set the darken amount to 50% and pupil size at 100%. And it works pretty simple. All you have to do is click and drag out a square around the eye, and then Photoshop will magically fill it in for you. Now there is a little bit of red right in this area here still, and we would need to go in and continue applying the adjustments until we get what we want, but it's not going to always work. And the other thing is, this is a low quality image from a digital camera from 16 years ago, so the resolution on it is not very good. So we would have to either darken up the amount slider here, or we would have to go in with a different tool like the stamp tool or a healing brush tool in order to blend that in a little bit better. So it's not going to work 100% of the time if you don't have a high quality image. That particular eye worked pretty good, so that's pretty much it. Both eyes are now fixed, and it looks less devilish than it did before. The other thing I want to mention is you cannot use this tool non-destructively because it's not giving us an option to choose all layers or current layer and below. So you have to work directly on the background image layer in order to make those fixes. All right, so that's it for our healing brush tools. In the next section, we're going to work on improving our Photoshop skills by using another tool that you're going to need to learn how to master in order to become proficient in using Photoshop, and that's using all the different selection tools that we have available, and we're going to learn them all in the next section. All right, so if you're ready to learn all about the selection tools, let's do it.